What's up, YouTube family? It's AJ Mobile Money. Just jumping on real quick. Some of you may have noticed if you watch my videos on a regular basis, I haven't actually been on. I was sick over the past couple of weeks, so I am feeling better now, but it kind of threw me off my normal schedule of recording. So I did want to just go ahead and jump on now that to say thank you for subscribing, watching my videos. I actually went over the 1,000 subscriber mark yesterday, and so excited to say I reached the 1,000 goal. And of course the next goal is to work to 10,000 and so on and so forth. But I just wanted to send out a thank you to all of you for subscribing, for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Make sure you share them with your friends. If you have questions that you want to send me, that's fine as well. Right now just chilling out with my little guy, the other AJ. Say hello. Say hi. Just chilling outside with him in the backyard. We're not social distancing, but try to social distance in general. And now he wants to be a part of the party. Hey, can you go on the slide and show us your skills? Go on the slide. Oh, and that's AJ.
Yeah.
So, little AJ says thank you as well for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. Again, if you ever have questions, definitely leave comments. I respond to pretty much every comment, or at least hit the like button on your comment. So hit the like button on my videos. I'll probably go down to just doing one video a week. Got a lot of things going on right now. I did want to go live once I did, eventually hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, but apparently they've changed the requirements in order to go live, so wasn't able to go live. But I did just make this quick video, uncut, raw, AJ Mobile Money and little AJ. Say hello. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say subscribe.
Bye.
Subscribe.